In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the new Android emojis. So I'm on Instagram just to show you the emojis. If I tap on them, you'll notice that some of them are new, like that little, like this one right here, and they look different and they're updated. So, okay, so if you want to get the new ones, this basically comes down to updating your Android phone to the latest version. So to do that, tap on your settings app, then just scroll all the way to the bottom, and there you see the option that says software update. Tap on software update, and then you can see there's a download and install button for me. So if there's an update that's available for your Android phone, a software update, make sure that you install that update and make sure you download it over Wi-Fi as to not use up all your data. And then you should have the new Android emojis once you update your Android to the latest version. Now, if you don't see the emojis after that, you can also use another app called Gboard, which is this app right here. So I'm on the Google Play Store. If you tap on Gboard or search for it, you can enable this, and this will also oftentimes show you the new emojis. So that's how you can get the new Android emojis. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.